Crash course on Alaska. Why did Russia sold it to USA so cheap? Alaska is the largest state in the United States of America, located in the far northwestern corner of the North American continent. It is bordered by Canada to the east and the Arctic and Pacific Oceans to the north and south, respectively. Alaska is known for its stunning natural beauty, with vast wilderness areas, towering mountains, glaciers, and abundant wildlife. But Alaska is also a place of fascinating history, including its controversial sale to the United States by the Russian Empire in 1867. Alaska was originally inhabited by indigenous peoples for thousands of years before the arrival of Europeans in the 18th century. Russian explorers first arrived in Alaska in 1741 and claimed the land for the Russian Empire. For the next century, Russia established trading posts and colonies along the Alaska coast, including the capital city of Sitka. However, the colonies struggled to make a profit, and Russia began to consider selling the territory. In 1867, after negotiations with the United States, Russia agreed to sell Alaska to the United States for $7.2 million, or about 2 cents per acre. The deal, known as the Alaska Purchase, was initially criticized by many Americans who thought the territory was too remote and too expensive to be worth the investment. However, the discovery of gold in Alaska in the late 1800s sparked a rush of settlers to the territory, and Alaska became a booming economic center. Today, Alaska is an important part of the United States, both for its natural resources and strategic location. It is home to some of the world's largest oil and gas reserves, as well as abundant fisheries and mining operations. Alaska also plays a vital role in national defense, as it is located near Russia and China and is home to several important military bases. But Alaska's history is not just about economics and politics. There are many fascinating stories and examples that bring the state to life. Here are just a few. The Iditarod Trail. The Iditarod Trail is a historic dog sled route that runs from Anchorage to Nome, Alaska. It was originally used as a mail and supply route in the early 1900s, and later became famous as the site of the Iditarod Trail Sled Dog Race, a grueling 1,000-mile race that takes place every year in March. The Klondike Gold Rush. The Klondike Gold Rush was a period of feverish gold mining activity in the late 1800s and early 1900s, centered around the Yukon region of Alaska and Canada. Thousands of prospectors flooded into the region in search of gold, many of them passing through Alaska on their way north. The Klondike Gold Rush is remembered as a time of great adventure and hardship, and is celebrated in the city of Skagway, Alaska with a popular annual festival. The Alaska Native Claims Settlement Act. The Alaska Native Claims Settlement Act, ANCSA, was passed by the U.S. Congress in 1971, providing a framework for the settlement of land and resource claims by Alaska's indigenous peoples. The act granted Native corporations ownership of 44 million acres of land and a $962.5 million settlement, making it one of the largest land claims settlements in U.S. history. Mount McKinley. Mount McKinley, also known as Denali, is the highest mountain peak in North America, with an elevation of 20,310 feet. It is located in Denali National Park and Preserve in central Alaska, and is a popular destination for hikers and climbers. The Northern Lights. The Northern Lights, also known as the Aurora Borealis, are a spectacular natural light display that can be seen in the night sky over Alaska and other northern regions. The lights display when electrically charged particles from the sun collide with particles in Earth's atmosphere, creating colorful displays of light and movement. The Exxon Valdez oil spill. In 1989, the oil tanker Exxon Valdez ran aground in Prince William Sound, Alaska, causing one of the largest oil spills in U.S. history. The spill released an estimated 11 million gallons of crude oil into the water, devastating the local ecosystem and causing widespread environmental damage. The Alaska Highway. The Alaska Highway, also known as the Alcan Highway, is a 1,387-mile road that runs from Dawson Creek, British Columbia to Delta Junction, Alaska. The highway was built during World War II as a strategic route to transport supplies and troops to Alaska, and is still an important transportation corridor for the state. The Trans-Alaska Pipeline System. The Trans-Alaska Pipeline System is a 800-mile pipeline that runs from the north slope of Alaska to the port of Valdez. The pipeline was built in the 1970s to transport oil from Alaska's north slope to the port for shipment to refineries in the lower 48 states. It is one of the largest pipeline systems in the world, and continues to play a critical role in Alaska's economy. The Tlingit people. The Tlingit people are an indigenous group that has lived in Alaska for thousands of years. They have a rich culture and history, with their own language, art, and traditions. Today, the Tlingit continue to play an important role in Alaska's society, with many serving in leadership positions and working to preserve their cultural heritage. Here is top 10 attractions in Alaska with contact URLs for you to visit. 1. Denali National Park and Preserve. Located in central Alaska, Denali National Park and Preserve is a must-visit destination for outdoor enthusiasts. Visitors can explore the park's wilderness on foot, by bus or even by plane. More information can be found at the official website, https://www.nps.gov/dena/index.htm. 2. Glacier Bay National Park and Preserve. This stunning national park is located in southeast Alaska and offers visitors the opportunity to see glaciers, fjords, and a variety of wildlife. Visitors can take a boat tour or hike through the park to fully appreciate its beauty. More information can be found at the official website, https://www.nps.gov/glimba/index.htm. 3. Kenai Fjords National Park. Another incredible national park located in southern Alaska, Kenai Fjords National Park is known for its ice fields, glaciers, and marine wildlife. Visitors can take a boat tour to see the park's glaciers and whales, or hike through the park to see its stunning landscapes. More information can be found at the official website, https://www.nps.gov/kefj/index.htm. 4. The Northern Lights. Alaska is one of the best places in the world to see the aurora borealis, also known as the Northern Lights. Visitors can take a tour or simply venture outside to witness this natural phenomenon. More information can be found at the official website, https://www.travelalaska.com/things-to-do/northern-lights.aspx. 5. The Iditarod Trail. The Iditarod is a world-famous sled dog race that runs from Anchorage to Nome, covering over 1,000 miles of rugged Alaskan terrain. Visitors can watch the start of the race in Anchorage or attend the finish in Nome. More information can be found at the official website, https://iditarod.com/. 6. The Alaska Native Heritage Center. Located in Anchorage, the Alaska Native Heritage Center offers visitors the opportunity to learn about Alaska's indigenous cultures through interactive exhibits, workshops, and performances. More information can be found at the official website, https://www.alaskanative.net/. 7. The Anchorage Museum. The Anchorage Museum offers exhibits on Alaska's history, culture, art, and science. It also features a planetarium and interactive exhibits for all ages. More information can be found at the official website, https://www.anchoragemuseum.org/. 8. The Alaska Sea Life Center. Located in Seward, the Alaska Sea Life Center is an aquarium and research center that features exhibits on Alaskan marine life, including sea otters, harbor seals, and sea lions. Visitors can take a behind-the-scenes tour to see how the center cares for its animals. More information can be found at the official website, https://www.alaskasealife.org/. 9. The Alaska Railroad. The Alaska Railroad offers scenic train rides through some of Alaska's most beautiful landscapes, including Denali National Park, Prince William Sound, and the Kenai Peninsula. More information can be found at the official website, https://www.alaskarailroad.com/. 10. The Klondike Gold Rush National Historical Park. This park in Skagway commemorates the Klondike Gold Rush of the late 1800s. Visitors can learn about the history of the gold rush, see historic buildings and artifacts, and take a hike on the historic Chilkat Trail. More information can be found at the official website, https://www.nps.gov/kolgo/index.htm. These are just a few of the many attractions that Alaska has to offer international visitors. Each of these destinations offers a unique and unforgettable experience, showcasing the incredible beauty and rich cultural heritage of this remarkable state. In conclusion, Alaska is a fascinating state with a rich history and natural beauty. The sale of Alaska to the United States by Russia in 1867 for just $7.2 million was a controversial and surprising move, but it ultimately helped shape Alaska's destiny as a vital part of the United States. From the Iditarod Trail and the Klondike Gold Rush to Mount McKinley and the Northern Lights, There are countless stories and examples that showcase the unique character and charm of this incredible state. Here is a poem on Alaska and its attractions. In the land of the midnight sun, where glaciers carve and rivers run, where the northern lights dance and play, and nature's beauty steals our breath away. Denali, mighty and grand, its peaks and valleys, a wonderland, majestic and awe-inspiring, a place where nature is unwiring. Glacier Bay, where ice meets sea, a world of beauty for all to see. Whales, otters, and sea lions too, a paradise for wildlife and you. Kenai Fjords, a land of ice, a place where beauty is twice as nice. A world of wonders both great and small, a place to explore and to enthrall. The Aurora Borealis, a mystical sight, a canvas of colors, an artist's delight, a dance of light and sound above, a symbol of hope, a message of love. The Iditarod, a race of might, a test of courage, a thrilling sight, a trail of snow and ice and grit, a story of strength, a tale to transmit. The Alaska Native Heritage Center, a place to learn and to adventure, a culture rich and full of pride, a people strong and dignified. The Anchorage Museum, a place to explore, a world of history and culture galore, a planetarium and interactive fun, a place to learn, to laugh, to run. The Alaska Sea Life Center, a world below, a world of creatures, a world of flow. Sea otters, seals, and sea lions too, a world to discover, a world for you. The Alaska Railroad, a journey of wonder, a journey of beauty and of thunder, a ride through mountains, valleys, and more, a ride to cherish, a ride to adore. Klondike Gold Rush National Historical Park, a place to remember, a place to embark, a story of dreams and of gold, a story of courage, a story to hold. In Alaska, the land of the wild, where beauty runs both free and mild, a place to explore, a place to adore, a place to fall in love, forevermore. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences America has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to North America, please ensure to use our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse Team.